Netflix has a new feature on their mobile app called Fast Laughs. It features funny vertical video clips from your favorite Netflix shows and movies. I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use Netflix Fast Laughs. Now let's get started. Open the Netflix app on your mobile device. In the menu at the bottom, tap Fast Laughs. Funny clips from Netflix shows and movies will begin to play. When one clip ends, the app will automatically scroll to the next clip. You can scroll down to skip to the next clip manually if you like. If you find one funny, tap the LOL button to let Netflix know. If you want to add this show or movie to your watch list, tap the plus sign labeled My List. To share this clip to social media or send it to a friend, tap Share. Then choose the app you'd like to share it to. Options include Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, WhatsApp, and more. If you'd like to watch the show or movie this clip came from, tap Play in the bottom right corner. That's all it takes to use Netflix Fast Laughs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.